Hello guys, this is Jong. Today I'm going to show you guys how coronavirus is spreading very fast, why it's spreading very fast, and how it's spreading very fast. Coronavirus is spreading from hand, so everything is coming from this hand. So okay, our hand is very bad, and number one is through your hand. This phone is very dangerous. Number one danger is your phone, and every time we touch the phone, and how many times a day you touch the phone. So every day we touch the phone at work and at home, right? So number one is speeding from your phone, and number two is speeding from your key, and number three is from the money, cash. That's why today I'm going to show you guys very simple ways to how to stop the coronavirus and how to kill the coronavirus. To using this method, at work you don't have time to use alcohol, right? The Clorox and alcohol and the sanitizer like that. That's why today I'm going to show you guys very simple ways to protect your phone. This is the full wrap plastic I'm going to show you guys. So this is the best method. Okay, so we need to wrap the phone. First we need to put the plastic this much. Okay, and you don't want to put this way. Make sure this is the key. Okay, we need to begin from here like this. Okay, then you can pull this one to here. All right, now we're gonna turn to here. Very good. Then we're gonna do here like that, from the middle like this. And we need to do one more time. We need to put the double in the screen. Okay, maybe this much, and make sure this put very nicely. Okay, that's be it. That's be it. So I'm gonna cut this much. It's come up to meter right here. I'm gonna cut this much. So this, the best thing is you can do like that. So it's automatically, it's better. All right. So now okay, that's it. So I'm gonna put here, let's fold to here. It's very simple. Then you can put the tape here if you want. All right. Okay, so now we're gonna test it. Okay, I'm gonna fingerprint my phone. I'm gonna fingerprint here. See, even though I put the double plastic, you can open it. You see, then you can do like that, call, no problem. Very good. Now you can do like that. You want to see the picture. Okay, even though you want to take the picture, that's okay too, but it's not very clear, of course, right? But still you can take the picture. Now I'm going to take the picture. Okay, yeah, it's very good. So I'm going to close it. Okay, I'm going to try one more time. Very easy. So you should use this plastic. So purpose of I'm showing this is so at work So we have to touch the phone, and especially if you are working in like restaurants, or even though you work in the office and you need to touch your computers and the keyboards and the mouse, right? Okay, so now I'm gonna test the phone. Oh, what's up, bro? Can you hear me?
Yes, bro, very clearly. How are you, bro?
Good, good, thank you. So I'm just testing the phone now, so you can hear me or not. That's why.
Yeah, it's very clear, very clear.
It's like normal, right? Nothing problem. All right.
Yes.
I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, bro.
Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good one. Be safe.
Bye.
See, it's very good. So that's why you can use this one. Once you get home and you wash your hand, then you can remove that. Then it's very clean. You don't need to wipe again. Okay? Or you can spray here, you know, you can spray here the alcohol and you can wipe as well, no problem. Without this paper, you cannot put the alcohol here directly, so it's close to your phone. Okay? And it's up to you. You can remove that, or so I'm going to show you another option. Okay, so this is the number one solution. So I'm going to show you another option. So next option is going to be the gloves. You can use the glove as well, but this is the more professional way, so that's why I'm going to show you that. So I have this kind of glove, which is a white color. So if you want to use the glove, so you can simply put here. So actually I'm using this glove, a latex free. Let me test the phone. Yeah, you can open with a glove too, right? Actually it's good, and you can call also. You can call, no problem. I'm gonna test it again.
Hello?
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro? How are you?
Good, thank you. I'm gonna test my phone again.
Yeah?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, very clearly, bro. Very nice, like normal.
All right. Thank you very much, bro. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Stay safe.
Thank you, bro. Be safe. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Don't go to. Alright, this is very good too, but the thing is here, so this is open here, you know, that's why. So I don't recommend the glove very much. The plastic is much better. Okay guys, I think that's it. Okay guys, thank you very much for your watching. Please share the video to save the other people. Like, subscribe and comment below.